Hi folks, this is the CG022 coffee grinder. It has a big 1 liter coffee bean hopper, okay, with adjustable grind size from very, very fine to coarse. And that locks in with this switch right here so that it doesn't slip. Once it's locked in, it doesn't move at all. Okay. At the heart of it, we have our control panel in the automatic mode. Okay. We select either 1 cup grinding or 2 cup grinding. Okay. Once we select 1 cup grinding, it will grind for 1 cup and automatically stop. We'll have enough grind for 1 cup, or we can also select 2 cups. All right. Now, also we have a setting for continuous grind for those big jobs. Since it does hold 1 liter, we can grind continuously in this setting, and it just continues to grind until we decide to stop it. Okay. Around the back, we have a circuit breaker for safety, and quite a beautiful metal flake finish.